Why does your scanner show the P1646 engine code? What does it mean? P1646 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2 sensor control malfunction on bank 1 upstream. This engine code indicates a fault with HO2 sensor control malfunction on bank 1 upstream. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Sensor malfunction, wiring issues, ECM problem, heater circuit malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in any vehicle equipped with an OBD2 system and has multiple oxygen sensors on different banks of the engine. It is commonly found in Jaguar X-type models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.